Your life.
काम लिया। Assalamualaikum boys, Scorpions.
Salam.
Welcome guys. Am I clear? Bhayo, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, welcome to all of you. Finally, although we don't have a Scorpions night, but it's a Scorpions annual award day. So, first of all, welcome to all of you. Before we get into the proceedings, we'll start with the recitation of the Holy Quran. For that, I'll request Ghalib Bhai to come over, and then we'll take the proceedings from there.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون صدق الله العظيم. Just like to say our prayer and Fatiha for the loved ones which we have lost during the last 2 years. Many people have lost their parents, father, mother, sisters. So we'll do a collective Fatiha for them all this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. ربنا آتنا في اللهم اغفر لي والمؤمنين والمؤمنات والمسلمين والمسلمات رب ارحمهما كما ربنا صغيرا رب اجعلنا مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتنا ربنا وتقبل دعاء ربنا وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات صلى الله تعالى على خير خلق سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.
Thank you, Ghalib. All right, Bhayo. Welcome again. It's happening after almost a 2-year time that we've all got together like this. And it's going to be a little different this time. Like you see, we are not in a hotel environment where we have all the gala stuff going on. It's different, obviously keeping in mind the situation that we had. I would like to say a big thanks first of all to the committee people, Mohsen Bhai especially, Ghalib Bhai, who's worked a lot behind to make this possible. You all are aware that we tried to do this earlier also but couldn't happen. But finally we are alhamdulillah successful to get all of you here and proceed with this event. What we're going to do today, I'm going to run down through memory lane and just have a little idea on how all this started and what led for us to have this gathering here today. It all started 5 years ago, guys. So first of all, congrats to Scorpions. We're in our 5th year, so I think that deserves a round of applause. I have a list of things I need to speak of because 5 years is long and I'm getting old, so my memory doesn't work that well. Do we all know how it started? Are we all aware of it?
Yes.
Except Dubi, one of the oldest members of Scorpions. Okay, if you all know where our head office location is, right next to it is a new Al Ghurair building that has come up. I'm talking about the head office. That used to be a parking lot. It's a building now, it was a Pathan parking lot. And that's where all the inception of Scorpions started. We started playing tape ball cricket there. I'm sure Mohsen Bhai, Dubi, Safran, Imran Bhai, these are some names that come to mind. Saad, A lot of people. Oais Bhai was there. All these people were there who started. Mustafa Malu Bhai was playing with us. That's where the whole thing started. And for me personally, I'd like to thank Shabab also. He's the one who introduced me to Mohsen Bhai. He said, Faizan Bhai, tape ball cricket khelega? And I said, yeah, it's been long. I've not played. I was out of the game for 15 years. And that's where he introduced me to Mohsen Bhai and the whole gang. And then we started playing tape ball cricket on Fridays. I'm talking 5 years back, maybe a bit more than 5 years. We started playing cricket, tape ball cricket. That's where it evolved. From there, Mohsen Bhai then said, yaar, in sports khelte hain, yaar, indoor cricket. We moved on to in sports, played a lot of games there. Things progressed like that. And that's when, all of a sudden, one day, I get this call from Mohsen Bhai, Zubi bhi mere saath hai, jaldi aa. You know, that's his style. When I go there, they said, yaar, team bana de, bol kya karna hai. That's where all the thought process, the brainstorming, Zoeb was there, Mohsen Bhai obviously leading in that, myself, and then we thought about the whole thing, what we need to do. We first asked us to get the boys, who are going to be the players. And again, for that, I give a big credit to Mohsen Bhai, Zoeb, Javed Bhai, all these people, even Shamim Bhai, all these people got together. I don't call it a selection process, but we wanted to gather people to get this team going. And the selection happened. I think we started with, if I'm not mistaken, 12 to 15 guys. Our initial squad was of... That's where we started to connect with each other. And we said, yes, we all share the same passion. People from different departments, different areas of the bank, all got together and we enrolled in the LMS tournament. That was the first tournament that we enrolled in. Not knowing how it will happen, what will happen, we said, passion is there, we'll go for it. That's where Mohsen Bhai led us. Got into that, all excited, we got our kits done. You see those red pads, those are from 5 years back. Got those pads done, our red LMS kits. All these things were done, all excited, going to play our first game. I remember it was the month of May. I think it was 35, 40 degrees in the morning and we went into play. It was passion that drove us there. I may not remember everyone, but I clearly remember Javed Bhai, Mohsen Bhai, Zubi, Faizan Fakhri, Awais Bhai, Amit, myself. We all were there for that game. Played our first game. Our first 6 hit by Javed Bhai. First 50, Javed Bhai. And जो मोम वाला मजाक करते हैं, that seriously happened first time with Javed Bhai. Our first man of the match also. So these are just some memories of our first game that I remember. And that's where the journey actually started. That first game, first time playing together, winning off, and moving into the tournament. We turned up to be runners-up in that first tournament. So a big round of applause for all Scorpions. First tournament. We weren't even sure who was doing what. Jaake khel jo best kar sakta hai. That was the idea around it. Moving on from there, we played our first friendly game with Rashid, if I'm not mistaken. Shadi played for us, if I'm not mistaken. Safran played a great innings. I remember that very vaguely. So, okay. We played a good game, won that game also, and that's when we first time enrolled into Rashid's tournament. And that's where our cement games started on. Moving on from there, played the second LMS tournament. Our biggest game was against DIP. And that's where all of us were pumped up. I remember me and Mohsen Bhai were sitting outside. Zubi, Atif, all the big names were playing in the game. And we beat DIP. DIP at that time had Adil Bhai, Saif Bhai, Walid Bhai was there.
Shadab.
Shabab was there. Amir Bhai was there. No, Amir Bhai was here. Shahid was there. So it was a strong team that we were playing against, and we were the underdogs in that, and we won the game. I think that was one of the points where all Scorpions got this belief in them that we can move ahead. And we did. And I think that influenced Walid Bhai and Shadi to move in. That was one of the points. So, having said all this, that these are just some memories of how things progressed and how we reached where we did. But there's a lot of effort that has come into it also. A committee was formed because from 15, today, mashallah, we are at 26, 28 players with us. managing them, managing tournaments, funds, budgets, ensuring everyone plays, all this needed some support on them. That's why the committee was formed. And this committee ensured that everything goes smooth, everyone gets chances, and a proper communication channel can happen across throughout. So the committee was made, and moving on from there, what we did, we had our website done. Amazing website. I mean, I hope everybody accesses it regularly. Stats, details, articles are put on there, our performances are mentioned on there. Amazing stuff done. I really request humbly to everyone, please make sure guys you do visit the website often. Our social media, Facebook, Instagram, guys, there's a lot of effort put behind this for people to post things on there. All we are asking the players here, share it as much as you can, like it, tag people on it, whatever you can do, spread out the name. We need a good impression of Scorpions, and I think you are the best people to take that name out. So just a humble request on that one. What am I missing? Yeah, very important one. Our first centurion, by the way, was Atif. So big round of applause for him, and now I forgot how many centuries he has. He's the master behind it. Another great performance that we all remember, Safran's 8 wickets. I mean, something. Once the committee was formed, we also started to ensure that everyone gets a chance. We started to enroll into more tournaments, if you notice. The Saturday League started. We started getting Saturday to ensure that everybody gets a chance. And that's what we are working on. Apart from that, if you look at it, we've had our annual nights, apart from this event, regularly, and have been at really gala events that we've had. We've given out awards to ensure that we give the appreciation to the deserving people. But today is a special day, guys, and I want you all to understand this, because Ghalib bhai, Mohsin bhai, the committee has worked endlessly on this one to make sure this happens. It wasn't easy knowing the COVID situation. Gatherings were not possible. There were a lot of attempts done and we were almost through to do it, but we had to cancel it. So to make an event possible today, the objective behind is to ensure that we reward the people who deserve what they've done. So big round of applause, Mohsin bhai, Ghalib bhai committee, to make sure this thing happens today. Since we couldn't do it in an evening time, we've tried to make it a little more fun. We'll be having a game also after this. And it's a good time on a Friday morning to have all these things going on. What I'm going to do next is to make sure that we do understand facts and figures, what we've done, where we've reached, how much we've done. We're going to share the MISs and stats with you. For that, I'm going to request Ghalib bhai, if you can please take over.
As you all know that in 2019 the stats were managed by Zubair very well, but after his shifting to a very busy so mashallah he's been very busy, so I've taken over the responsibility of doing the stats, and Atif is helping in the back end and Mohsin bhai to make sure that my stats are correct. So we'll share some very important facts. In 2019, in terms of matches played, we played 68 matches in 2019, including indoors, outdoors. And in 2020, we played 49 matches. Because of the COVID, there was a break, so that's why less number of matches. In 2019, we won 32 out of 68, and in 2020, we won 29 out of 49. So the win percentage in 2019 was 47%. Whereas in 2020, the win percentage was 59%. And hopefully in 2021, we are looking to surpass this number again. So, inshallah. In 2019, we won one final, and also in 2020, we lifted one finals trophy. In 2019, we were runner-up 4 times, and in 2020, we were runner-up 3 times. So overall, 9 finals we have played in the last 2 years. So big achievement. The number of tournaments we played, it's a very big achievement. Another fact I would like to share is the highest total which in 2019 was 260 runs while batting first. Unfortunately, we lost that match. Where I scored 102 and Atif scored 76 of just 36 balls. In 2020, we scored 270, our highest. We surpassed the 2019 landmark, where Irfan scored that massive 164 and we 60 runs. And we won that match, alhamdulillah. So good stuff. In terms of highest chasing total, in 2019 we chased down 231, where Atif scored 156, and century was on 35 balls. So another achievement there. And in 2020 we have chased down 270 runs. So it's not that we get chased also, we chase also. In which Atif scored 129. Irfan scored 41 of 16 balls. Last over comes and we required 11 runs in last 2 wickets. MB goes in, first ball 6, second ball 4, third ball out. Big drama. In the last ball we required 1 run. Saad was there and we crossed the line, managed to win the game that game 270. Amazing total. In terms of highest partnerships, in 2019 it was 130 runs between myself and Farhan Bhatt, where I scored 85 and Bhatt scored 36 in the partnership. And in 2020 we again surpassed this landmark by scoring the highest partnership of 232 runs, where Irfan contributed 164 and Rohit 60. So excellent stuff. We have been surpassing our 2019 landmarks. In terms of centurions, we had 3 centuries in 2019, 2 by Atif, 1 by Ghalib. In 2020, we had 5 centuries, 2 by Atif, 1 by Ghalib, 1 by Irfan, and our latest centurion, JD with a amazing knock of 100. Number of 50s, in 2019 we had 49 50s overall, with Syed Shahid scoring the most 50s, 9 50s. And in 2020 we had 28 50s. It was less number of matches, so it's understandable. Where highest 50s was by Ghalib Ali, 8 50s. 3 wicket haul, 3-fers we call it in 2020 because very rarely we get a chance to take 5-fers. However, in 2019 there were 2 5-fers, 1 by Shabab and 1 by Atif. Total 3-fers were 34, where Atif and Ghalib took the highest 3-fers of 5. In 2020, we had 32 3-fers, where Ghalib took 6 times 3-fers and Safran took 5 times. Best batting of 2019 was by Atif, 156 runs. And best batting of 2020 was Irfan with 164 runs. Best bowling figures, Shabab, 2 overs, 1 maiden. Unfortunately, he is not here, he is in India.
He's in the air right now.
He is in the air, but we have to mention it. 2 overs, 1 maiden, 8 runs and 5 wickets.
Great.
So, I think the performance was really bad, or Shabab bowled very well.
What was his day?
In 2020, we had best figure by Safu, which is, as per his standards, it's a very normal figure. It takes 8 wickets and 7 wickets, God knows what. So, Safran took 4 overs, no maiden, 15 runs and 4 wickets.
Great. Safu!
That was our best ever bowling performance in 2020. We had 1000 plus runs, we call it the 1000 plus club. In 2019, we had 5 people crossing 1000 runs with Atif 1597 runs. Ghalib with 1092 runs. Syed Shahid with 1024 runs. By the way, that Shahid is not here anymore.
Yeah, that Shahid is not there.
Who is Syed Shahid?
कौन है?
And Irfan with 1015 runs.
क्या जवाब है चौधरी?
Excellent stuff there. And in 2020, again because of less number of matches played, we could not reach that landmark, but Atif was the closest with 992 runs and Ghalib with 921 runs. So if you take in terms of percentage with number of matches played, we have done an amazing job and improved in 2020 overall. Last figure and stat is 40 plus wickets Hall of Fame, where in 2019 it was Ghalib and Atif with 42 and 40 wickets. And in 2020 once again that landmark was surpassed by Sarfran with 46 wickets. So overall, amazing stats, guys. It just keeps us on our toes, and we know where we need improvement. So in 2021, already in the first 3 months, we played how many matches?
30 plus.
30 plus matches we have already played in the first 3 months. That's almost 10 matches a month. So amazing commitment by everyone. I know on Saturdays we have to drag people, and sometimes we have to ask from outsiders to come and join us. So Mohsin Bhai will elaborate more on that. So from the stats parts, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ghalib. So basically, guys, amazing years, 2019, 2020. If you see, we've been progressing. So that's a good sign on that. So now the big one. No, it's not the awards. We're going to invite somebody, the man behind this vision, the idea, why we are here, what we did, and way forward. So I'm going to request with a big round of applause for Mohsin Bhai, please, if you will come over.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस,
Islam.
कैसे हैं आप लोग? मेरे से नहीं सब ठीक है?
काफी है.
गरम हो गया.
Okay, first of all, thank you Faizan for going through the 5-year journey that we had started in 2016, and thank you for the MIS updates by Ghalib for the 2 years. As already mentioned that we weren't able to do our 3rd annual night or day, whatever the event, last year due to the pandemic. However, this year we had planned it earlier in a hotel, which also first of all was postponed due to the DIBPL, and later on the date we had booked it for, the restrictions came up. But now, alhamdulillah, this outfield, thanks to JMR and the CEO of JMR, Jafar Bhai, for letting us hold this event at this vicinity. So thanks, Jafar Bhai. He's not here. He told me that he will try to make his best. Unfortunately, he's not here. But thanks, Jafar Bhai. Thank you, Ali Asad, for giving us the opportunity to have our event, annual event at your premises. So by now, you guys must have already known what Faizan and Ghalib Bhai hinted towards. First of all, I'd like to tell you about the few changes we had coming to the committee. Initially, when the committee was formed earlier, we had about 7 people out of 25 who were committee members. And last year we thought like this is kind of asking too much for, and the committee size is too big. Almost 1/3 of the club is representing as a committee. So we narrowed it down to some people. I'd like to thank Zubi for his Amir Bhai and Shadab for their tremendous work as committee members in the previous years. Zubi is now being shifted from the HR department to finance, and definitely he's too much busy with his work, long hours, and it's very much understandable. So last year he also requested me a couple of times, and I told him, okay, let this 2020 end, and we'll do something about it. So a big round of applause to Zoeb Khan for all his ideas, his talks, random talks, one-to-one discussions. And now he has been released as the vice president as well. The new vice president for the club is Ghalib Ali. So far, I'm very satisfied by the way he is assisting me in the entire go about of this conference. So So one change is of the Vice President from Zoeb has been shifted to Galib Ali. Committee members are now only 4 people, that is including myself, Galib, Faizan, and Atif. These are the 4 committee members. All Scorpions, whoever is having any kind of issues or suggestions or ideas or complaints can reach to either one of us, because I know like some people are close to a few people. So we always appreciate that. Any suggestions, complaints, whatever it is, do come up with that, so that in order, the bottom line is that Scorpions has to improve and Scorpions has to go miles ahead. And this is just the beginning. Still 5 years down the road, we have achieved a lot, but there is much more bigger path that we have to go across. Apart from the Vice President change, the committee change, one more change is for this year, 2021. A big round of applause once again to Shadab for leading the team in all the matches as a captain. And though he has been eating my head for last 2 years. अरे मोहसिन भाई यार कैप्टनशिप नहीं कराओ, मोहसिन भाई कैप्टनशिप आप करो, कुछ भी करो यार, कैप्टनशिप ले लो मुझे कैप्टनशिप नहीं करो तो मैं सब कुछ करूँगा बट कैप्टनशिप का लेवल नहीं दो मुझे. So we have finally relieved Shadab as a captain. We would love him to continue, but since he's insisting too much, so we relieve Shadab as the captain of Scorpions. Now we have Atif Ali as the main captain of Scorpions Cricket Club. Sorry, my bad. मैं मोहसिन अली और आतिफ इस्लाम को मिला गया. Sorry, Atif Islam is the main captain. When I say main captain, it's basically because most of our matches are on Fridays. So for all the Friday matches, Atif shall be leading Scorpions. For all Saturday tournaments, Faizan is appointed as the captain.
Best captain.
And for all the weeknight matches, whenever we register, Galib Ali will lead the team. So these are the 2 captains, and myself and Shadab will always be there to assist our leaders on the field. Now when I say captain for Saturday matches were tournaments, we started to register because the size of Scorpions is quite big now, 24, 25 mashallah plus. However, with a heavy heart I would say that it doesn't look good that lately on Saturday matches, despite getting the confirmation from the players before registering for any tournament, we are still lacking to come up with the playing 11 on Saturdays. And this has been repeatedly happening, especially this year. So at one point the committee was thinking to stop Saturday tournaments and only go with the Friday tournaments, which will end up only 11 to 14 players squad will be playing. Then the rest will start complaining and everything. So before we stop Saturday tournaments, I would humbly request once again to all Scorpions that whenever the confirmation is asked for any tournament, and if you are giving the confirmation, then make sure you are available for the tournament. It doesn't look good like we ask our other Scorpion fans outside the club to come and play for us. Though they are also very supportive, but since at the moment we don't have any room to add more players, so I would really appreciate that if they stick to our Scorpion squad, then whenever they are on the field, it should be only Scorpions members who are playing. Secondly, there were quite a few plans we had for last year, but last year had not only, I would say that it had a great impact globally, so of course Scorpions was also affected. As promised in the last annual night 2 years back, that we will be having an international tour. I would like to share this that we were almost done with it and almost finalized the tour to Sri Lanka. However, the pandemic came in between and that plan got stuck. Nevertheless, we we are working on it, and inshallah when things go smooth and things open up globally, everything is fine. We will one day inshallah take Scorpions out of UAE to play an international match. Not to forget that UAE itself has been great, thanks to the authorities, thanks to the government, thanks to the venues that we have in UAE. Marvelous city, marvelous place to live, to play, to work, and we expect everybody is loving to live here, to one year, to play here. One of the best places on earth, I would say. And we are very fortunate. So definitely a big round of applause to UAE. I don't think if I'm forgetting anything else. New additions, yeah. This year, since a couple of people left abroad, we had room to add a few members. So after discussing with the committee and shortlisting, because we wanted just not to add any player, we wanted Scorpions to get more stronger. So the two new additions this year is Mia Idris. And I'm very proud already saying that Mia Idris, as well as the other addition, our very own Lala, Rawatullah Lala. So, the 140 kph speedster. So, Lala and Idris, on behalf of the committee, we welcome you once again officially. And I'd like to say that definitely we are very proud to have you in Scorpions. You are already performing. This is for 2020, and the event, as I said, as you are all aware, that this is the two-year event in 2019 and 2020. So last year the addition to the club was our magical arm wrist spinner, Arif Mohi. And you will see, like, whoever is, apart from Scorpions, these people, whoever is following us, who are on Facebook, YouTube, they are already aware of the performances by Arif, by Idris, by Lala. These are the new additions, and of course our regular consistent people who shall be awarded very soon. Without taking much time, I hand it over back to Faizan to start with the award. Thank you guys.
Thank you, MB, for that. Guys, so what we've been waiting for, we'll proceed with the awards shortly, but again, we need to understand, guys, how we've progressed, how we've reached where we are today. From playing on a Pathan parking lot to playing at Dubai International Stadium, and we played 2 tournaments there. So big round of applause to all of us for reaching where we have reached today, guys. Again, let's go with the awards now. I think something that we've been waiting for. We'll start with the 2019 awards. First, I'd like to call Javed Bhai to hand over the awards.
जावेद भाई के लिए भाई
Just give the awards to Javed Bhai, whatever he picks up.
चिराग सुई नाम रखा है जूनियर चिराग सुई
Okay, guys, we're going to give out the awards with different categories. First award, उम्र तो नहीं है ये वाली, लेकिन Emerging Batsman 2019. आमिर भाई, please.
क्या बात है आमिर भाई अगले साल इमर्जिंग बॉलर का मिलेगा कल हैट्रिक
Okay. Next one. Now that the batsman is done, we'll have our emerging bowler. Can we please have this young pacer of ours, Waji? यंग लगाया मैंने।
क्या बात है भाई, जेल से लाके आए भाई मुंडा।
Great stuff. Okay. Continuing with the bowling. Best spinner of 2019. The gentleman is in air right now, Shabab Rahman. Somebody on behalf of Shabab, please.
लाला जाओ यार,
Lala, आ जाओ।
ये लाला ये अहमदाबाद हिंद प्रश्न अहमदाबाद।
Thank you, Lala. भाई दे देना जवाब को। Recorded है। All right. Okay. The next award, very deserving person, and nothing new. When I say best pacer of 2019, can we please have Safran?
शाबाश। सांस रोक ऊपर अंदर।
Excellent order. Guys, one area that we need to improve, but then there's players who set the standards, and we need to learn from them. Best fielder 2019. I wish 10% of that comes to us. Will be a different side. Best fielder 2019. Fari, can we have you please? ये मेहनत होती है
उनका वो चलिए
अवार्ड भी हो रहा है।
फरी को पता ही नहीं किस चीज का अवार्ड है। फील्डर बेस्ट फील्डर। शाबाश फरी। क्लैपिंग आइस।
Best fielder, yeah, something we need to work on.
यार वजीर। यार आसिफ तुम भी तालियां बजा लो रख दो।
Yeah, next one. This is another personal favorite of mine.
ये मुझे मिलता है अगर आपको लगता है।
Guys, let's focus here. Another favorite one of mine, and I've always been saying that this person is best what he does when he's indoors, but he's proven it outdoor as well. Big support for me on Saturdays as well. Best wicket keeper 2019, Imran bhai.
क्या बात है लड़के। जूते चश्मा
मोस्ट इंजर्ड प्लेयर ऑफ
वो 21 में मिलेगा।
तेज हवा भी गुजरती है ना।
Okay. Yeah, this is an easy one. This is a real easy one. No brainer for us. Very easy. I don't have words. I wish I had more, but इतनी तारीफ कर चुके हैं. It's getting difficult. आतिफ मास्क उतार के आ जाओ for best batsman.
कहाँ जा रहे हो? इधर जाना है बावले। क्या बात है लड़के। भाई कैमरा उधर है, उधर देखो। कहाँ देख रहे हो? शाबाशी।
Okay. Yeah, today morning after that hazy drive, when I was coming here, Ashar was with me and he said, Baba, you know, there's one batsman in Scorpions I really like. मैं बोला क्यों? वो छक्के बहुत मारता है, बहुत छक्के मारता है। मैंने कहा कब देखा? मैंने कुछ देखा मैंने और आपसे बहुत तारीफ सुनी। मैं कौन है? तो बेस्ट मास्टर ब्लास्टर 2019 इरफान प्लीज।
highest number of sixes. Highest number of sixes in 2019.
शाबाश चौधरी।
सारे के बाद तो कह रही है।
Okay.
शादाब।
Yeah, this next one is a special one. It's a captain's award. So a lot of thought process has gone into it, a lot of thinking, a lot of discussions have happened. Need to look out of 26 players. Captain's award 2019, especially by Mohsin bhai. Thought over. Any guesses, any ideas? Mohsin
You've got mail.
Captain's award.
गालिब भाई।
या गालिब भाई को ऐसे ही इतने अवार्ड मिलने आपको।
अच्छा।
सना भाई
मोहसिन भाई।
Can we please have Saad?
टेस्टिंग जल्दी है, जल्दी करो। ये भी टेस्टिंग चल रही है।
कुछ लो आप साथ प्लीज।
ये मोहसिन भाई बताएंगे क्यों?
एक्सेलेंट हुआ क्या?
शाबाश आदे।
यार ये बहुत जबरदस्त
ये extra trophy.
दिस वन इज रियली नाइस
अबे अपडेट करने के लिए फोर्स कर रहे थे बहुत।
जिमी एंडरसन की एज क्या है
37
40 हो गया
नहीं यार
और कितनी स्विंग करता है ठीक है हमारा जिमी कौन है बेस्ट बॉलर 2019 गालिब भाई
गाली वेंडर से ये चश्मा क्यों उतार देते ये समझ नहीं आई
मतलब आप कह रहे हैं गालिब भाई ज्यादा अच्छे
ले भाई क्या बात है मौली साहब
यार ये यार बड़ी वाली ट्रॉफी आ रही है यार बॉयज बिगर ट्रॉफी अगेन यार वेरी सिंपल वेरी इजी way ahead of all best batsman 2019 आतिफ कैन हैव यू अगेन
क्या बकवास है तो पहले किसका लिया था
भाई पहली थी बेस्ट इनिंग्स की।
हां उस पे लिखो
अब आया बेस्ट बैट्समैन।
ये बेस्ट इनिंग कर दो
बेस्ट है यार वो बैट बल्ला उठा ले बेस्ट है वो
क्या बात है
ओके
अपनी दुकान खोलेगा अब तो ये
या फॉर द नेक्स्ट अवार्ड द पर्सन इज नॉट हियर लेकिन फिर भी उसका करते हैं बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर फॉर 2019 ये जिसका नाम है वो बंदा है नहीं इधर सैयद शाहिद
सही है यार वो कौन था असली वाला बुलाओ
अबे यार ये नाम वाला है ही नहीं
भाई चाइना वाला नहीं चाहिए
ओरिजिनल वाला चाहिए
ओरिजिनल वाला है चाइना का है
बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर 2019।
अक्षय कुमार अरे वो कौन सी फिल्म में अक्षय कुमार की मूछें बिल्कुल ऐसी
Okay, the big one, guys, the big one, the big award, Player of the Year 2019. Guesses.
प्लेयर ऑफ
The year 2019.
मोहसिन भाई
2 साल पीछे जा रहे हैं। अबे एवरग्रीन प्लेयर नहीं बोला था।
गालिब भाई
यार ऐसा करो, लेट्स हैव आतिफ अगेन। 2019.
ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस।
भाई इसने आपको पता है कल इसने दुकान का इफ्तिताह करना अपनी ट्रॉफियों की दुकान खोल रहा है
एक्चुअली हमने वापस करनी है ट्रॉफी दे वाली इसी लेके करेंगे। एक्सीलेंट हो गया आतिफ, सुपर
क्या
सुपर।
बात है लड़के
ओके
1500 रन यार माशाल्लाह।
Boys, last award for 2019, we still have 2020 to go. Last award for 2019, ये बंदा सही नहीं है। Star of the year 2019 indoor. You guys guessed it right for Amit. Can I have somebody on behalf of Amit?
इद्रिस।
आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ।
कोई गल नहीं उससे भी जुम्मा बढ़ाना तो चलो
आगे यार। रूबी आ जाओ, रूबी आ जाओ, रूबी आ जाओ। Amit, Star of the Year 2019 indoor. We won a tournament also under him indoor. Okay, that's it on 2019. Can I have Mohsin bhai now to take us through 2020? Jai bhai, thank you so much.
जय को
Thank you, प्रधान।
स्टैंडिंग अवार्ड तो दे दो खड़े थे
पूरे हफ्ते का विटामिन डी ले ले तू।
Okay, guys. Thank you, Pradhan. Thank you so much for the 2019 awards. First, let me tell you that these awards, whatever are being given today, are based on factual MIS. Apart from the Captain's Award, which I was the captain in 2019, and my award goes to Saad. Not because of his performance, but because of the commitment he shows attending all the nets,
कुछ तो बहुत हो गए
being on time at every match at the ground, giving his 100% as much as he can. He has improved on his bowling, his commitment. This is the commitment we need, which will eventually turn into results for Scorpions. So thank you, Saad. You really deserve this. Now starting with the 2020 awards. The first award is for the emerging batsman. Emerging batsman, as per the MIS, there was no questions asked, and the award goes. But before giving the award, let me call upon Sanabai. Sanabai, please come up to give the award.
अच्छा उन्हें लगा वो इमर्जिंग बैट्समैन है वो पहले इसलिए आराम से बैठे हुए थे कि मैं इमर्जिंग बैट्समैन
So to give the award, we have invited Sarabhai, and the award for emerging batsman goes to Nuwed Khan.
भाई लाइव जा रहा है
अच्छा नोएद को देना
अच्छा देना भी सारा भाई ने
नोएद को
ये ससुराल से नहीं गया भाई
समझ नहीं आया
Thank you, Sarabhai. Shadab, please come up with the next award for the best bowler.
देने के लिए बुलाएंगे
The best emerging bowler for 2020. The name, I'm sure most of you are already aware of it, and this guy is probably a bigger contestant for the best bowler of 2021. A big competition
Hassan
for
bhai.
Safran. Emerging bowler 2020 goes to Hassan Ahmed.
क्या बात है हसन भाई
The next award is for the best spinner 2020.
ग्रेट प्रोग्राम
The award will go to the person whose economy was 5.7 in 58 overs that he bowled while taking 23 wickets, none other than Arif Mohin.
अरे भाई